Hello and welcome back to the channel. There always been one light from Fenix that stood the test of time, the Fenix PD36R. From the popular OG to the version 2 and the Pro version, we have a new addition to this lineup with the PD36R ACE. It's seriously powerful in a pocket-sized package with a blinding 3000 lumen and a throw that reaches 454 yards. This is not just another flashlight. This is a handheld searchlight ready for anything. So let's dive in. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. And now, let's see what comes in the box. You get the PD36R ACE flashlight, a holster, USB-C charging cable, lanyard, 2 spare O-rings, and a manual. Basically everything you need to get you up and running. With the PD36R ACE, you get 5 brightness levels, plus strobe and SOS. At the top, Turbo has 3000 lumen and will light up nearly 5 football fields. On the low end, Eco Mode gives you up to 30 lumens and crazy 63 hours of runtime, perfect for camping and emergencies. Fenix has been releasing their fan favorite classic with their latest ACE technology. For those who doesn't know, ACE stands for Advanced Command Edition. It's like having 3 flashlights in one, and we'll get into it later in the video. So how does the ACE version compare to the oldest models? The PD36R version 2 has 1700 lumen, 433 yard throw, and 482 hours of runtime, and it's operated by a side and tail switch. The PD36R Pro has 2800 lumen, 415 yard throw, and 42 hours of runtime, and it's operated by a dual tail switch. And the PD36R ACE has 3000 lumens, 454 yard throw, and 63 hours of runtime, and it's operated by a side set and tail switch. Now let's see what this beast can do at night. Turbo mode is 3000 lumen with 454 yard throw and can run for 3 hours and 2 minutes. High mode is 1000 lumen with 257 yard throw and can run for 3 hours and 28 minutes. Medium mode is 350 lumen with 150 yard throw and can run for 8 hours and 49 minutes. Low mode is 150 lumen with 97 yard throw and can run for 21 hours and 49 minutes. Eco mode is 30 lumen with 44 yard throw and can run for 63 hours and 25 minutes. Strobe is 3000 lumens and the SOS is 150 lumens. The PD36R ACE has a familiar look to standard Fenix lights, with a comfortable design, tail switch and a side switch, ready for a tactical situation, but also great for everyday carry. At 5.75 inches long, plus it weighs only 6.4 ounces with the battery. The main difference is the addition of the ACE functionality, the innovative set switch that lets you customize your light setup. You can set it to 1 output, 3 outputs, or 5 output levels, depends on what your lighting needs. And now for the operation guide, and this is where it gets cool. You got a tactical tail switch for instant on and off, and a side switch for cycling through modes, eco, low, mid, high, turbo, and back to low. And by pressing and holding the side switch, you will activate strobe, and pressing the side switch again will cycle between SOS and strobe. The SOS mode is only available in option 3. To use the ACE function, press the set button to change the preset from 1 to 2, 3, and back to 1. And to turn on and off the strobe mode, press and hold the set button until the flashlight blinks twice. This turns off the strobe no matter what option you're on. The PD36R ACE looks sleek, but it's built like a tank. It's made from a tough A6061-T6 aluminum. It's IP68 rated, meaning it's waterproof and dustproof, and it can handle drop of 1 meter. So whatever the world throws at you, it can handle it. The anti-rolling and anti-slip design means it won't wander off when you set it down, and it's easy to have it by your side at all time thanks to its metal clip and the included holster. What powers this beast is a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery, replaceable, rechargeable. All you need to do is just twist the neck to reveal the USB-C charging port, which is a nice feature to protect the port from dust and damage, and it can be fully charged in just 3 hours. And with the battery indicator, you always know how much juice left and when it's time to recharge it. Here's what I think about the PD36R ACE. I really like it's like having 3 flashlights in just one. With a press of a button, you can switch it from an everyday carry with 5 output options to using only turbo mode for work, when your work only requires turbo, like in security or working on the site. It has a 3000 lumens and a beam that can reach 454 yards, rugged IP68 water and dustproof design, and a 63 hours of runtime. That's keep going even when you can't. Whether it's for tactical use, EDC, or just peace of mind on your next adventure, this flashlight absolutely delivers. So if you're looking for a compact powerhouse, the PD36R ACE is something you don't want to miss. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.